this weapon shield. This is pretty neat stuff.
Try it on some of my semi-autos for sure.
Hey, welcome back to Motorhead Garage. Well, folks, you've heard a lot about oil additives over the years. They're all over the place. But there's something that we've run across here that you might want to know about. It's called a metal treatment, isn't it, Sam?
That's right. And it's available in a liquid form for engines, for motor oil. You can put it in manual gearboxes, transfer cases, differentials. Also have greases in tubes and tubs. And it really got some pretty neat products.
Yeah, and today's lubricants are really pretty darn good.
Yep.
But you can always make them a little bit better. And we got Mark Pushnick here with Steel Shield, who has this metal treatment. Now, Mark, tell us about metal treatment. What is that all about?
Well, our technology, we treat the metal and not the oil. We attach to the metal surfaces what we call advanced boundary film technology. You use your oil, whatever oil you want to use, and you add our product to it. Oil carries our product to the metal surfaces, which further reduces the heat, friction wear. It goes to the negative valleys of the metal, and then when the two forces come together, they repel instead of attract.
So, you know, if you could take a microscope and look at a piece of metal, you know, even a bearing surface, polished bearing surface, you really look at it closely, looks like the Grand Canyon in there a lot of times. Right. So what you're doing is really filling in all that so you make a nice smooth area that reduces
So we took this little pin test here. We put the conventional motor oil, high quality synthetic oil.
Right.
We ran it, you saw the results. Now you're going to take that oil and enhance it with Steel Shield.
That's correct. That's correct.
Right?
Okay.
Let's go ahead and do that.
Okay.
So you add that to the oil. Now, how often do you have to add this to your oil?
Well, you would get protection even if you would add it and not add it again at the next oil change, but we recommend it for the maximum performance of the product.
Mark, tell me about your machine now.
This machine is designed to test lubricants. It's really a standard in the lubrication industry for testing lubricants when they break down under heat and friction. The two metal surfaces you see right here is a Timken race, has a Rockwell hardness of C62, and these are Felix tapered test rolls in the holder here that have the Rockwell hardness of C58. What I'm basically going to do here is apply extreme pressures. Every pound on the scale is equivalent to over 30 pounds of pressure, point to point, with the fulcrum arm here.
Okay.
And basically, I'm going to turn the machine on. I added the product to the base oil.
So basically the same oil we tested before, and it failed at what, 5 or 7 pounds?
Right, right.
Now you've added the Steel Shield to it.
Right, which we treat the metal surface.
Now, how much weight is that put on there?
Right now we're at 10, and it's still running, no failure.
So 10 pounds equals what?
300?
300 pounds? Yeah.
30 to 1 ratio?
Right.
Okay, how much you got on there now?
Right now I'm pulling it down 15. You can still see the amp meters around 7 amps.
Which means that the motor's not working real hard.
Right. Right now we're down to 20.
We know oil breaks down under heat and friction. The Steel Shield actually gets better when it gets hot.
Right. The hotter it gets, the better it works.
Well, that's pretty impressive.
You see right now we're down at the bottom of the scale, getting a little smoke coming off the test machine, but no failure.
Now, that's pretty darn impressive there, Mark. Now, how will it do without the oil?
All right, well, I'll take it away here and show you that we treat the metal surfaces as we claim.
Holy mackerel.
Again, all the way down at the bottom.
That shows it left the treatment behind.
That's correct.
That's pretty darn impressive. Well, folks, you know, Steel Shield's got that for a lot of different other products as well. And Mark, I'm glad you brought this along and showed us your demonstration. So thank you for stopping by.
Thank you.
Folks, we got a lot more coming here on Motorhead Garage. Stay tuned.